recipe is going to be something fresh and delicious. It's going to be lemon lavender whoopie pies. Since the weather is warming up, I thought why not make something citrus themed. So we're going to be doing lemon whoopie pies with a lemon lavender buttercream filling. Let's get what we need. We're going to start by combining our butter and powdered sugar. Mix this well together and incorporate it. And then we're going to add 1 egg to this mixture and combine well. Once it's come together, get a spatula and make sure you scrape your edges and your bottom. And then add your lemon juice to this, as well as your baking powder, and mix that well. And then we're gonna sift our flour over this mixture. Once the flour is sifted, just combine this all well. It's gonna come together and look like crumbs. And then pour in your milk to this as well. And I added a little bit of yellow food coloring to give it a pop of color. This is completely optional and you can leave it out. Then I'm going to put this in a piping bag with a circle tip. All the details and information are always in the description box down below. You can also set your oven to 350 degrees so it can preheat while we pipe these out. Now get a baking sheet with parchment paper and pipe these out. The sizes will vary depending on how large you want it. Just pipe some out. I did some about 1 inch to 2 inches in width. They will expand a little bit, not too much. And then once you're done piping, give the pan a tap. And then they should bake for about 10 minutes, just until they get sturdy and springy. And then we're gonna do our buttercream by adding our lemon and lavender to this. I will leave my recipe down below, or you can use any that you like. I also added a little bit of food coloring to try to get a lavender tone to this. I did a little bit of blue and a little bit of pink just to get that light lavender color. And then I put this buttercream in a piping bag without a tip, as you can see here. And once your whoopie pies are done baking, just take them off the sheet pan, put them on a cooling rack, let them cool for a bit. These do tend to cool down pretty quickly. And then you're gonna try to find same sized whoopie pies so that you can sandwich them together once you put your filling in there. As you can see here, I got some that are the same size. Grabbed my buttercream, piped some on there. You can also add some jellies, some fruit, or anything to the center. And then with the bottom whoopie pie, just sandwich it together. And there you go. Here is a view of these delicious whoopie pies. And that's how you make these lemon lavender whoopie pies. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to leave a suggestion, put it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of this and everything I make, I do post on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below in the description box. Everything you ever need will always be in the description box. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more recipes, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications when a new recipe goes up. And until next time, stay sweet.